Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. If you want to build a strong online community on your WordPress website, whether it's for members, students, gamers, or customers, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the best WordPress community plugins that help you create a social network-style website without coding. Let's get started. First up, BuddyPress. BuddyPress is one of the most popular community plugins for WordPress. It lets users create profiles, send private messages, add friends, join groups, and even have activity feeds, just like Facebook. It's perfect if you want to build a free social community directly inside your WordPress site. Next, BBPress. If your goal is to create discussion forums, BBPress is lightweight and easy to use. It integrates perfectly with WordPress and works great alongside BuddyPress. You can create topic-based forums where users ask questions, share ideas, and help each other. Now let's talk about something more modern, Peepso. Peepso is a powerful alternative to BuddyPress with a sleek design and advanced features. It offers user profiles, real-time notifications, reactions, media sharing, and more. If you want a professional-looking social network experience, Peepso is a great option. Another powerful plugin is MemberPress. If you want to create a paid community, MemberPress helps you lock content, manage memberships, and accept payments easily. It's perfect for online courses, premium communities, or exclusive groups. And finally, WP4O. WP4O is an advanced forum plugin with modern layouts and strong customization options. It's ideal if you want a stylish and feature-rich discussion platform. So which plugin should you choose? For social networking, BuddyPress or Peepso. For forums, BBPress or WP4O. For paid communities, MemberPress. Building a community increases engagement, boosts website traffic, and keeps users coming back to your site. And the best part? You can do it all inside WordPress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and plugin recommendations. See you in the next video. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.